Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the term management. So in this video we are going to see the introduction part to the management. So firstly I can say that management is split into two things. Manage plus men is what management. So I can say that management is completely dealing about a people within an organization for the most and effective way of handling the people. So which includes handling a people, planning for the people, everything. So which will deal with about a men. Let us start with the meaning of management. Management is the art of getting things done through people. So in simple terms I can say we are making others to work for us. So as per the default schedule, we will assign the work, let them complete and give us back. That is what a management is. We are just going to oversee that work, whether the work has completed, whether they are working properly. So everything we are going to controlling and planning for it. So that is what a management is. And the next topic is 5 M's of management. So here we are having a 5M concepts in management which is very important. So the first M is men, which we have seen already, right? So men is, without men there is no management concept. So that is why I have put it in a first one. The second M is money. The third M represents materials. The fourth M represents machineries. And the fifth M represents methods. So these are the 5 M concepts which is very useful, which we are going to see brief now. So the fifth M is method, right? So the method is nothing but the way which we are dealing it in an organization. We having n number of ways, right? So the way in which way we are handling it, that is what a method is. The fourth M represents machineries, which is nothing but a tools and equipments which we are using in an organization is what? Machineries. The third M is materials. The materials is nothing but a resources which we are using. The second M represents money, right? So the money is nothing but a financial support which we are using for our business growth. That is what our money is. The ultimate one is men, right? So without men there is no management concepts arise. So all of the M's which will follows this M. That is what a men. I've seen already in a first statement, right? Manage plus men is what management. So can you see a picture inside that 5 M's? Yes. So men is very important. That is the one which will follow rest of M's. Without M there is nothing. So that is why we are emphasizing M is very important, that men. And then next we are going to see the definition of management. According to Peter F. Drucker, management is a multi-purpose organ. Multi-purpose is nothing but we are dealing with several other functions. So we are handling more functions, not with a single one. We are handling more functions, more than 1 or 2 functions we are handling. That is what a multi-purpose organ is. That manages a business, manages a managers and manages a workers and work. So here we are saying business, managers and workers and work. So every functions this management will deal with. So that is why we are saying it is a multi-purpose organ. So next important thing is Peter F. Drucker is the father of management. Okay, that is one of a basic and fundamental question. So next we are going to see the second definition for management. So according to F.W. Taylor, management is the art of knowing what you want to do and then seeing that it is done. So we are going to see what you want to do and as well as what we have done. That is, we are comparing it and seeing that what we have done it so far. So in the best and the cheapest way. So we are comparing it, what the schedule is, what we have done. We are seeing that we are comparing it which have to done in a best and the cheapest way. So that is what the definition of F.W. Taylor's. So far we have completed 2 definitions of management. So the keyword is multi-purpose organ is a keyword from the Peters F. Drucker statement. From the Taylor statement, the management will be seeing in a cheapest and the best way of doing it. That is what a F.W. says statement is.